Are you sneezing? Continuously sneezing? Tired and fed up of sneezing? Having any sneezing allergies? Then try this powerful acupressure point. Locate GB26 in the groove here between your nose and your lips. Massage this point with your index finger for 1 to 2 minutes with deep and comfortable pressure. Repeat this for 2 to 3 times and then feel the magic. This calms the sudden sneezing reflexes happening and irritation. It also clears the nasal blockages. So do try this magical point and share it to someone who really needs it. And for such more healthy tips, do follow Swasti Siddhi, a path to natural healing.